It's Wednesday evening and we are just
I don't know if I'll be able to hear you.
in another crazy windstorm! We thought we'd escaped it at Pancake Creek after we left, after those 4 days of the 30 knots and...
Should have caught it there.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
It takes off on me.
Oh, I don't know. Is it easier just to wrap around? I guess we're not using anything in there. But this is super enjoyable!
My life.
Hashtag blessed, hashtag sunny days. It's hard to show on camera because nothing ever looks as bad as it feels at the time, except maybe those crazy fishing videos. We had planned to move around the other side today, but we decided that we'd go for another couple of walks and check out the awesome Sundowner hut instead, and then move around later. We have plenty of time here, so we thought we'd stick around this side. We tied another line to the tender because it undid at Pancake Creek and floated away on us. Luckily, we noticed quickly and Dan could paddle to it and collect it. As said before, with every bit of paradise, there is a bit of disaster. Hey everyone, I'm Holly.
G'day, I'm Dan.
Hey guys, I'm Arikis. Hey everyone, I'm Rocky.
As per normal, this place looks like a bit of a disaster zone. We've got Lego and junk. Lachlan's eating cookies, one crumb at a time, washing wet stuff, canoe, and I have baked a double batch of white and milk chocolate chip cookies to get us through our movie watching. Got 12 loads of dishes. Mummy might even do
And this
these
shirt
ones.
does not fit me.
It's not your shirt.
Oh no, it's Dad's.
Who would be the happiest boys and best behaved boys during schooling tomorrow if Mummy does the dishes?
Me!
No way.
Okay, Lachlan can do the dishes.
No thanks.
Me! Yeah, me!
Alright,
Okay, I'll do it.
I will be good.
I'll do
I
it,
will
but I don't
be
have to
good.
promise.
another night of maybe a little bit less sleep than normal.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm sleeping like a baby.
And they'll sleep like babies.
I'll sleep like.
This will be where they do their sundowners.
Yeah. Oh, it does look so
Maybe
much
we
flatter
just go
in
back
here.
and get our drinks and come back to sundowners. They're already there.
2 o'clock. We'll go for a walk. Julie said people don't normally come up until 4.
Oh good, that's perfect boogie boarding. I mean, maybe not perfect, but it people must be camping here. Hello.
Did it say 6Ks?
Yeah.
6Ks each direction. I ain't going 6Ks, team.
6 kilometres to the lighthouse.
I ain't going
or 6
there.
kilometres to the other beach. We're going 2 kilometres to Wreck Beach.
Shit, even that's too far.
Oh my gosh.
Didn't tell him, 600 metres.
To the lighthouse, 600 meters. Imagine.
We haven't even talked about a deal yet.
Dad, I'll see you again.
Oh, sorry, the secluded area was at the end of the other track.
Yeah.
It's at the end of the 6K track.
Yeah.
Hey, Hal.
Yeah.
You doing exercise?
Yep.
With
Cider.
a cider. Because that's how we roll. two gentlemen taking both the seats.
Here you go. What do you guys having?
I'm tired.
What do you guys having?
It's really warm all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Yeah, they win. Holy shit.
Changes, fast pace behind me now. Love, it's time to settle down. 'Cause peace is no longer guaranteed. It's all getting eaten up by hate and greed.
That's pretty.
Oh, look at these bloody YouTubers filming everything. I'll just steal your footage.
Welcome to Butterfly Bay, everybody. So we have gone for a little tender ride from our boat into Svenson's Beach. We're going to be there this afternoon for sundowners with a few other yachties. But we can see a few little bush walks on the way through. So you can go to the lighthouse or Butterfly Beach if you go to the left. And this is Butterfly Beach. Isn't it beautiful? As we are travelling around, we have run into a few people in locations they weren't expecting us. So I thought I'd just take a moment to just let everyone know that we are sailing and learning, so our videos are still quite behind schedule. I'm trying to catch up as quickly as I can whilst learning Adobe Premiere Pro, which is new to me, as well as trying to learn to sail, school the kids, and see some sights. So hopefully soon we'll catch up, especially over the Christmas break. But thank you for your patience in understanding that the first few months on the boat obviously was going to be quite hectic, and we didn't really start editing until about 2 months into our boat life adventure. If you are liking our videos, please subscribe, click the like button or the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave us a comment. I'm still replying to pretty much everyone at the moment, and all of the extra additions such as subscribing, liking and commenting helps us lift our algorithms to try and reach more people. Oh wow, how nice is this view?
No, not laying straight.
Hey, how you going?
Good.
Little rock walk mission?
North Capel Island. Some serious swell. It's so cool how you can see it tucking into the bay.
I might do that walk tomorrow. Hey, look. Look up to the lighthouse and see what's there. Get another beautiful view.
I already got a beautiful view. Sucker.
Such a cool island because it's such like a weird, I don't know.
Yeah, it's got a lot of coves,
Yeah.
a lot of protection for yachties, which is good.
Maybe they'll come up through here.
Maybe.
Oh, rock pile, another rock pile.
A little rock pile. That one's got eyes.
Go.
We'll head on down to the beach. We'll see if we can find Kim, Josh and Atticus. They took a little sneaky side track while we went the main way down. Jungle adventures!
Wide open spaces and endless sea. Breezes and sand sift into your toes. All the time, not a worry to find. You got nothing to lose, nothing to lose. Off when we to the distant north. So long to a life that's shuffling back and forth. Birds, the trees, and the setting sun has opened up my eyes again. My life has just begun. open spaces, an endless sea. Breezes and sand sift into your toes. All of the time, not a worry to find. You got nothing to lose, nothing to lose. Spaces and endless sea. Breezes and sand sift into your toes. All of the time, not a worry to find. You got nothing to lose, nothing to lose. Once I was a traveling man. Now I'm happy to just sit in the sand. Let the days do what they want to do. Time won't be the same as we once knew. Wide open spaces and endless sea. Breezes the sand sift into your toes. All of the time, not a worry to find. You got nothing to lose, nothing to lose. Wide open spaces and endless sea. Breezes the sand sift into your toes.
Your turn next, Mama.
Yep, we've got the towel ready for Dad. Dad's drink bottle.
Take you?
If you want.
Ready?
I'll just go film them all. There's stingrays in here.
Is it? Ooh, don't tell me that. Don't bite my feet.
Thank you, sir.
That's alright.
Okay. Here we go, Ads.
I want to film them. Come on. Yeah, wow, look at that rubber.
Good morning, Fam Bam. What are we up to this morning?
Hey Pants, we're at the Great Keppel Island Homestead. It's the original homestead on the island, not inhabited anymore, but
Well, this is a shearing shed,
this is a shearing shed. We're not quite at the homestead yet.
and we're
What a
looking
space.
forward.
Like, imagine living here with no one around.
What?
Like back in the day, the fishing here would have just been magic.
I know,
It's
and the
overfished, but
beaches and the bays are
And
just
Mum.
beautiful.
Mama,
Yeah.
could have built that into a bar.
Could have built that into a bar. He knows what his parents like to do. Awkward. We're hoping we'll see some peacocks and some goats. Apparently they are everywhere.
And like to be chased.
And what do we have in the backpack? A scavenger hunt. So you boys need to tick off the things that you find while we're walking around.
What?
Yeah.
bit of schooling.
Excursion.
When did we get it?
I did it all in advance.
When?
We've got the manly men with their bare feet
Yep, the only way.
and the girls in our active wear and sneakers. Whoop, whoop. Oh, well, this would have been a really disappointing place to live many years ago, with the beautiful rolling hills and mangroves and beach just off on a little short boat ride. We actually met some people who live on this island up at Svenson's Beach, and they just have the dream life. It is so pretty up there. There's just 2 houses next door to each other, and yeah, they get to meet up with all the boaties and come down and catch up with us all on Fridays and Saturday nights, which is pretty cool.
My mum said,
Yep.
Click the lockers in.
Got the lockers in.
Dad, why aren't you doing it?
It's just nothing when you're in four-wheel drive.
Yeah. So easy.
Mum, what does F-E-R-N spell? Fern?
Fern,
What does that mean?
it's a type of plant. I'll let you know if we see one.
Stick.
Addie, give me a little wave with your little clipboard. Activity time! We are finding homeschooling a bit of a steep learning curve, so we're trying to make every activity a learning activity.
Where am I supposed to find moss?
Find what?
Moss.
Moss. Probably see some moss on some rocks when we come back on our tender ride.
So I also gotta find an ant, which is right in front of me.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Mum, what does that say?
Fallen tree. You need to do your reading. That's part of the...
Fallen tree, right there, right there, right there.
Yeah. This is
Tree
just more
roots.
annoying than anything because I just like to look around and see what I'm doing.
Well, look
Tree roots.
around and tick them off later then.
Farms of tree roots.
Yeah, but I won't be able to remember what we see.
I feel like you should remember.
You know,
You remember when I promised to make you pancakes and blow up the tender or go for a walk, take the boogie boards.
Yeah, but that's good.
So the men have left us. They are taking the tenders because if we do the walk and then come back, it'll be getting that little bit too low.
I'm looking
So
at
we are going to
it.
take a little truck. Says 3 kilometres each way.
Mum, you can film.
This kid's just dawdling along very, very slowly. We'll head to the resort and get some hot chips and a drink. And Atticus is going to try his hand at four-wheel driving. Come on, Lachlan, we want to get there today, Bubba. Whatever you do, do not run. Don't run. And don't run ahead of us at all. It's not a race.
Why are you saying that?
With any luck, reverse psychology will work.
I don't know. There's stuff the rubbish in there.
Learn how to drive. I think I know why that dude crashed his car.
I'm gonna break an ankle there, aren't I?
This island has really, really great like textures and rocks and sand to...
Look at that texture.
Told you if I said not, don't run or go ahead, he'd do it.
Mum, I don't think water socks are the perfect idea for this. Wonder where the girl got it from.
The boys are probably very happy they didn't do this barefoot.
Yeah. What an ants. Surely they don't drive a...
No, I reckon that's them leaving now.
What? Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's only them leaving now. I reckon they've been racing or having fun in the mangroves.
Make sure we beat them. We see you. Let's go.
We have stumbled across a little hideaway. This place is pretty rad. Bit of everything that you could use or need. A little fire pit and some seats. Some extra tables and chairs. A little dog mat. Some rainwater tank for dog water bowls. Some cooking bits. Bottle opener. Nice thatched roof. Coconut's really good for fires. I wouldn't test it there.
Yeah, she's good.
It works well.
She's good.
There's a hammock, which I might come back and enjoy tomorrow.
She's good, team. We're on here.
And my genius husband. Getting the fire lit. Cheers everybody. It is 3:11 in the afternoon. So we came up to the Great Keppel Island Hideaway Cafe this morning at about 9:20 to do Dan's radio course, have some brekkie and get all set up. Our internet last night was playing up, and so I stayed up till nearly 11 o'clock trying to upload our video, and then our power died and our video at 87% cut out. So I've been uploading since about 10:45 today, and then it's just been taking forever. The internet's really slow. The video we saved at too high resolution, so it's really, it's like 11.5 gig. And so we've been sitting here, and when we got here, it said it was going to take 1.5 hours roughly. So between about 10:45 and 3:15 now, we're still uploading because we went from Dan's internet, then we tried the Wi-Fi here, and then Dan's phone went, because Dan's phone was going flat, and then we got the Wi-Fi here, and then that was still slow, so went to my phone, and then so because my phone was still slow, but then the laptop started to go flat, so we plugged the laptop in over at a power point inside, but I was worried about my phone being stolen because we were then using my Wi-Fi, so I put my phone under the laptop so that it was safe, and then me being an idiot that I am, I didn't think about the fact that that would reduce our reception. So it took like another 2.5 hours of uploading until someone's like, oh, if your phone's under the laptop, it's probably not getting very good service. But by then the laptop was charged enough. So we've brought it outside, and now the video's already finished uploading, and now it's just doing its HD resolution. But a fun thing to do is to sit at a cafe without food or lunch from 10:45 to 3:15 in the afternoon trying to upload a video. Looking forward to Starlink arriving by next week. Luckily we've got some good company, or else it'd be very, very boring. So cheers to our last drink. It'll all be uploaded soon. We'll go chill on the boat, and then I think tomorrow we're going to go for a bit of a sail, because the weather here is it's beautiful and sunny, but it's really windy and lumpy. So we'll go for a sail, and then we'll come around to the main beach for the rest of the week when the winds die down. So cheers, peace. Hope you like the video that we've uploaded, because it's taken like 1 billion hours. Bye.
Yeah, she got drenched.
It is super handy to have a couple of people who've got more experience than us on the boat. I'm able to sit up with Dan and listen to Josh while he teaches me a few extra things that I wasn't aware of, shows Dan some tips and tricks with the boom and adjusting the sails whilst we pull 2 reefs. And then Kim goes inside, gets the boys who are a bit nervous because it's probably the roughest winds we've had both sails up in before, with some pretty lumpy seas. She takes them in, she talks to them about the noises, she takes them out front, she shows the sails flapping, and she runs through basically all the bits and pieces that are making noises and why there's donkey slaps under the belly sometimes, while I get to listen, rather than normally I'm having to tell the boys to shush, we're fine, I'll talk to you later. And it's sort of hard having an extra adult sometimes just to like talk to the boys through what's going on, because normally Dan and I are both busy with the sails. So we are super appreciative to have them come on our boat. And when we get back, the weather turns overnight and we pop the cameras away for a few days so we can just enjoy some good family time and some time with friends who've flown up to visit. Everybody, so we have just left Great Keppel Island. We're heading into the Keppel Bay Marina for one night just to get some stuff done and just to grocery shop and everything else. So I am writing a meal plan for 4 weeks. I don't think we'll get to a shop again for probably 4 weeks, so it's going to be super fun trying to write a grocery list and plan with 2 kids who are currently snackaholics, so trying to pre-plan for that will be fun. But yeah, so I'll load up the shops and we'll show you our supplies when we get there.
Morning legends, so we're just coming into Great Keppel Bay, or Marina, in Yeppoon. Magic little spot. We've got our Starlink delivered here, so we're going to get that sorted out, fitted, and Hull's going to go and do a restock of about 4 weeks worth of groceries. Pretty spectacular rock formation, I guess been bashed by the weather over the years. But yeah, come and check this marina out.
We are super lucky. We have a double mono berth again, which is always nice. Nice not to have to park beside someone, so we'll come in. Atticus can probably try and film us tying up. Lachlan, are you in your hatch room? No, I'm going to close this. Always a hatch open to trip on. Righto. So, blue 64 ads. You hold this, darling.
Well, where's...
So we'll be just down here, baby.
Where's the... Mama, where's...
Oh yeah, the blue top.
Yeah. So we're on this side of the blue.
Which one are we meant to... That's starboard, yeah, so we're on the shittier one.
Yeah.
If we reverse in on this side.
Yeah, all the rubber's gone. That sucks. Would have been better off being on the other side.
Well, we can if you want.
Perry?
Yeah, you want me to try and swap them all over, or do you want to just get in and then we'll... Maybe because that side's longer.
Is it?
Yeah. Can you, I'll keep it on the back. Yep, so you're pretty close to 66. But I think as long as you stay here and start floating in. Got about 5 meters on the back here. The inside block. The only thing is you don't want to swing around the front way. Yeah, you got about four rear, 3. Do you want to go pop that down and just help throw the back lines?
What do you got there, Lockjaw? Turn it around so Daddy can see. The Starlink! Lockie's been pretty pumped to get Starlink, hey mate? We all have been. Sick and tired of trying to get service on our mobiles. Yeah.
You have been, Mum hasn't been.
Hole and I went one Telstra, one Optus. Thinking the Telstra would get it most of the time. Not the case. Bloody Optus got it all the time. Which wasn't my phone. Never mind. It's Starlink now. Have a look at this bloody stunner. What's going on, Chica?
Oh, well, I've got 2 loads of washing in the dryer, but I kept your FYD gear out because it can shrink in the your trackies. Don't them
Long
shrink.
sleeve ones.
You can drink.
Yeah, the sleeve
They're massive
ones.
anyway.
Give you
all
my
good.
handbag because it weighs 1 billion kilos.
Copy.
Give you the green bags because, well, they just don't need to come with me. I'll hang it up
Copy.
and then we'll head up, and while we're waiting for our taxi or Uber, I'll quickly finish off our grocery list.
Sounds good.
4 weeks of meals.
Look what I did. I did
Then we can get back out of here.
Because I was about to tear.
Mum, what
Boom.
did you do with my wallet?
So that's
Your wallet's in my handbag. So we've just gotten on a bus to head into Yeppoon Central Shopping Centre, and as soon as we take off, Atticus is like, "This is sick!" So he's obviously super excited by public transport today. It's a nice bus, but he's having a great time. He's loving it. He's loving it.
Is he trying to accelerate the brake?
I don't know what he's doing.
Atticus, hold on.
I have. Oh, I have. Mickey Mouse had a house sitting in the tree. I don't know how to sing stuff song.
Right. Oh,
You alright?
yeah.
Are you filming?
Huh?
What's up, the task at hand?
Just trying to I need to get it all out of the bags. I kind of almost need to pull everything out of the seats, then put everything back in the seats.
If she answers me, she's filming.
If I don't answer you, I'm filming.
Are you filming?
Uh-huh. You got the odd bunch, you got the crazy carrots.
What do you mean?
That's good.
$8 something in his bag.
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
Heck yeah.
I clearly have a thing for taking home the unwanted items.
Whatever. I saw you doing the shopping around the fruit and veg, and you looked very, very lost.
Not lost.
Not-
Dad
not-
goes shopping. Dad shopping.
Not necessarily, not like lost as in lucky to know what you're doing. Like shopping is like the bane of your existence.
Shopping should be fun, Dad. Do you guys want a coffee?
After many hours of shopping, unpacking, repacking and sorting our food, we end up having a bit of a late night before heading off at 6 a.m. in the morning. It's quite funny because as I'm finishing editing this video, I run into a subscriber named Scotty who told me a great trick with bacon that I hadn't even thought of. And basically you get the middle rashers, roll them into their little long balls and pop them into a container and freeze. Then you can pull them out one by one. I've been annoying the deli guys by trying to get them to split packages or trying to freeze whole lumps and defrost it and then eat it all in a couple of days just because I'm terribly organised. And yes, that was very, very handy. So thanks, Scotty. I'll be putting my bacon in the freezer tomorrow in cute little rolls. Good morning. So we are leaving the Keppel Bay Marina. It is 6 o'clock in the morning and we are heading up north to Masthead Creek, or Island Head Creek I think, hopefully we'll make that. And isn't this a pretty little drive out this morning? Got Yeppoon, Daniel, the captain.
Morning.
We'll say goodbye to the Keppels and all their beauty. And I'm going to pull out this last fender that I forgot about. Oops. We'll see you later.